Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making a very special dish, Kuku Paka, which comes from the coastal areas of Kenya. Chicken is first grilled and then cooked in a sauce with coconut. It can be served with roti, naan or coconut rice. Today we are having it with mandazi, which is kind of a donut which comes from the same area. To make this dish, we need 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken, 1 cup of coconut cream, 4 tablespoons of any cooking oil. If you wish, you can substitute it with coconut oil. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Salt and the chili powder you can use according to your taste. 2 small tomatoes cut into big chunks, 1 medium onion cut into chunks, 1 green chili, 5 large pieces of cloves. If you have smaller cloves, you can use 6 to 7. And a 2-inch piece of ginger. Besides these ingredients, we will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. To make the marinade for the chicken and the curry base, we will blend all the powdered spices with tomatoes, onions, chili, garlic and ginger into a very smooth paste. Mix 3 to 4 tablespoons of the masala paste with the chicken and let it marinate for about 30 to 45 minutes in the fridge. To grill the chicken, I'm using my cast iron grilling pan. I put 1 tablespoon of oil and then place the chicken. You can grill this chicken in the oven or you can just cook it in a simple pan. The best way to do is grill it on barbecue. That will give it a smoky flavor. We are going to cook the chicken on one side for at least 2 to 2.5 minutes. Turn it over and then cook it for another 1 to 1.5 minutes. We will set the grilled chicken aside and start the curry base. I placed a pot on medium-high heat and added 3 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is hot enough, we are going to add our masala paste and cook it till all the moisture has evaporated. After 5 minutes of cooking, this is how it looks. Some of the water has evaporated and it has started to release some oil. The masala has been cooking for another 5 minutes and this is how we need it. So the total cooking time for the masala has been 10 minutes. At this time, we will add our grilled chicken with all its juices. Mix it with the masala and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. At this stage, we will add our coconut cream. If you're adding coconut milk, then you will need at least 1.5 cups of it. Coconut powder is also available in the market. If you use that, then add 4 to 5 tablespoons of the powder to 1 cup of water and make a thin paste. Last ingredient to go in is the lemon juice. After adding the lemon juice, we'll mix it with the curry, lower the heat to medium-low and cover the pot and cook the chicken until it's done. The chicken has been cooking covered on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes and now it is perfectly done. To serve the chicken, I garnished it with some green chilies and added a little bit of coconut cream. If you wish, you can use fresh coriander for garnish. Do try this recipe. I'm sure you're going to like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and by pushing the bell icon button, you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!